To ask someone's age, you say, Déan nu how. How old are you? Déan nu how. If you want to ask how old is he, it's Déan nu hae. Déan nu hae. And how old is she? Déan nu hae. Déan nu hae. To ask someone else's age, it's Déan nu ha, followed by the person you're asking about. What age is? Déan nu ha. For example, Déan nu ha do bhach. How old is your son? Déan nu ha do bhach. When talking about age, we use the phrase bliana aois, meaning years of age. Bliana aois. So, to answer our previous question, Déan nu ha do bhach. If he's 5 years old, ha ma bhach coig bliana aois. My son is 5 years old. Ha ma bhach coig bliana aois. Now, if someone asked how old you are, if you're quite young, you can answer by saying Ha me trichet bliana aois. I'm 30 years old. Ha me trichet bliana aois. We're following the modern system of counting, and here are some of the numbers. Fichet, 20. Fichet. Keret, 40. Keret. And shesket, 60. Shesket. We've only looked at a small number of examples, but if you go to our website, you'll find lots more information about age and numbers and how to use them.